The two components of a loan payment are the principal repayment and the interest charges. Now, interest charges are usually front loaded, which means that the interest component is highest at the beginning of the loan and it gradually decreases with each payment. For this, we use two functions. One is the PPMT function, and the other is the IPMT function to calculate the principal and the interest amount. To calculate the principal amount, we write PPMT. The rate would be 8% by 12. The PER would be number one, which is the first period. NPER would be 10 into 12, so 120 months. And the present value would be 10,000. Let me just put the dollar signs as well. So the principal for the first period would be 54.66. And if you want to look at the interest, we can simply copy this entire formula and change the PPMT into IPMT. And as you can see, the interest is much higher than the principal amount. And if we add these up, we get 121.33, which is nothing but the total amount. And if we copy this formula right till the end, you notice that the principal amount is this, and the interest, as you can see, is front loaded. That means that the interest amount is higher in the beginning and it keeps on reducing over the period. On the other hand, the principal amount is smaller in the beginning and it keeps on increasing towards the end. So the final payment that I make on the 10th year will actually have a principal of 120 and an interest only of 0, and the total would be 121. This is how the two functions look. So we have PPMT and IPMT. They're exactly the same. So the arguments are exactly the same. The difference is that PPMT allows you to calculate the principal, while IPMT allows you to calculate the interest component. So rate is the same as PMT. So we have the fixed rate of interest. PER is the payment period, where one would be the first payment and the last payment should be the same number as the NPER. And then NPR is the number of payments, the loan principal. In case you have a balloon payment, then you can put the future value as well. So this is very handy when you want to create a schedule and want to understand that for a loan that you're repaying, what is the breakup of principal and interest during that entire loan tenure.